The solution to the problem of not receiving messages to Telegram unless you enter it is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to pray, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who does it now. Let's go through the most famous first step, my friend, which is to go to the Settings application on your phone, then click on Applications. After that, click on Applications, then click on the Telegram application here. If you do not find it, search among the applications you have here or click in the application's search engine. Write Telegram and you will find it. After that, click on Notifications and activate allowing all notifications. Then click on Permissions and give them permissions. All these permissions are for messages to be received and for the Telegram application to be used without any problems. After that, you restart your phone and, God willing, you will find the problem. No suggestions in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.